In this video, we're going to talk about CryptoC, which is a world-leading crypto trading bot. You've probably heard about the rise of AI recently, and now AI is helping us make consistent gains in the financial markets. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always go away and do your own research before investing any money. Let's get into today's video. Here we are over on CryptoC. This is a crypto trading bot that links up with your Bybit account, and into April, it'll also be able to link up with your Binance account in order to trade on your behalf. It is a very exciting platform that has been around for a couple of years now and has been consistently successful. Ultimate bot in crypto trading automation. Effectively, all you're going to do is give it access to your crypto through API keys. You don't have to give it access to everything, and then it's going to go away and trade on your behalf. So there's probably a few bots you've heard of that trade crypto, but this is probably the best. And the reason it's the best, guys, is because it offers automation, simplicity, and resistance to volatility. The automation, so other bots basically give you information and make you go and take the trades yourself, but this is automated. Okay, so it's going to have access to make trades on your behalf while you're sleeping, while you're doing whatever else, completely stress-free. And this is important. As a trader, I understand that a lot of trading problems come from emotion and various other things. And you can avoid this by using an automation bot, which is absolutely amazing. It's also extremely simple, very, very easy to set up. There's no need to look at complicated charts and things like that. And this allows for clear insights that are both actionable and profitable. And also they're resistant to volatility. So considering recently we've seen Bitcoin going absolutely crazy. Yesterday it pumped up $2,000. It's now down $1,000 today. And this will get even more volatile as we head into the bull market. So this is very useful to have on your side. And you can get started in a simple 3 steps. So effectively you choose a plan, you connect your crypto exchange, whether that be Binance or Bybit, and then you just enjoy the automated trading. Remember, Binance won't be available until April, but it's a very exciting move because that's just next month. So CryptoC doesn't really focus on risky day-to-day trading. It does do day-to-day trading, but it's looking for long-term gains. So it will focus on smaller percentage profits. Now, if you've ever tried to start trading, you'll find that the hardest thing to do is to stick to that consistent trading method where perhaps you're going to make 0.5% or 1% every single day, which doesn't sound like much, but trust me, over a period of time, that's where a successful trader makes tons and tons of money. But an unsuccessful trader loses loads because they're going in way too big and over leveraging themselves. And there's a few different memberships that you can have, and they all offer premium trading algorithm, VIP Discord community, priority customer support, exchange API integration, and online onboarding tutorial. And they come in different packages from a monthly all the way up to a lifetime package. The monthly starts at 59 euros. Quarterly, you will save 30% on that, and it'll be 125 euros. And then a yearly package, 425 euros. But using this, you stand a very, very high chance of being able to cover all the fees you see here and see significant gains on top. Also, you can see it's trusted by over 10,000 traders, which is really important. You can come through and read all the reviews here. There's loads of FAQs, and you can see how it's outperformed Bitcoin over the last few years. The blue line here is the trading bot, whereas Bitcoin currently down here, starting to try and recover, but this is way beyond even the all-time high prices of Bitcoin, which is very exciting. Once you've signed in, guys, you can see you have an online onboarding tutorial, okay? So it takes you through in just 4 minutes, tells you what to do. And then you can see exchange information. The tutorial will tell you how to do all this. Effectively, you just need an API key, and that's like a code that is associated with the trading platform, the exchange that you're using, your account, and then you just take that and you put it in here, and then it connects automatically to your account. You can come down below, there's various other things like the billing and whatever else. And what else I really love to see, guys, is this masterclass here, where it comes down and it shows you all about mastering the charts and tons of other things here. It gives you like chart pattern cheat sheets and candlestick cheat sheets and loads of other things. There's also 24/7 customer support available. So this is effectively the dashboard that you're going to see once you are fully set up. You'll have your balance down here. So here it's saying bank account with a balance of $74,000. Obviously, I would recommend going smaller than that to start off with, guys. And then once you've kind of used it a bit, then you can understand how it all works and feel much more comfortable using it. You can then see your stats, outperforming Bitcoin, successful trades, portfolio growth, and service and sales of goods. Now, this successful trades here says 70%. That's a very high success rate in trading. I want you to understand that actually it's not about having 100% success rate, okay? If the bot comes in and starts using your money and then maybe has a couple of losses to start with, it's unfortunate, but I recommend just leaving it, okay? Trading is a longer term gain where you're going to see profits come over time. Success rate isn't necessarily measured on short-term gains. If you get a couple of losses and you take your money out, I guarantee the next trades that it takes will be wins, okay? So be patient with it. Use small amounts of money to start with until you feel confident using it, and then you can start to increase the amount you use. So in summary, if you don't want to go through all the years of stress and strain and difficulty learning to trade effectively, well, I recommend using CryptoC, where you can come and get an automation bot that's going to trade on your behalf. It's consistently been outperforming Bitcoin for the last few years, and that is a very exciting prospect given that we are about to move into a full-blown bull market, in my own opinion, with Bitcoin and other cryptos. Remember to use the link down below in the description if you want to go and check this out, guys, and you can get either on a monthly basis or a longer term basis. If you go for the year, it's a one-time payment of 99 euros and you'll never have to pay again. Currently it works only with a Bybit account. However, in April, it's going to start working with Binance as well. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about trading, AI, crypto, NFTs, and much more, then make sure you hit subscribe to be kept up to date with all the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.